Hi, in this video, we are going to see how to configure GitHub packages in your Java Maven project and push your artifacts or the code so that anyone can directly add it as a Maven dependency and use it. First of all, you need to create GitHub's personal access token, which is used to make any changes in your GitHub account, like pushing or reading packages. In order to create the token, we go to the settings on our GitHub account, then developer settings, and then personal access token. Here we click on generate a new token and name it, let's say, token for GitHub packages. We give required permissions. Since we are going to create this token for pushing GitHub packages, that is why we give the write package permission and delete package as well. The delete one is not necessary. Whenever you are creating the token, make sure you give the minimum permissions as much as possible. In the next step, you need to have a repository which contains the package. So I am creating a new repository here with the name Quarkus. In the third step, you need to create a settings.xml file. You can copy the content from the article link pasted in the description. Make sure you create it in the M2 folder. Put the username and repository name here, and then put the username and personal access token here. Now we have set up everything on local and on the GitHub account as well. We just need to use the repository in our Maven project and then build the project, and then we can push. In order to push the jar of any project, we copy the distribution management tag and paste it in the pom.xml of the project. Here I have the project, and I will replace the username and repository name and run the command maven clean deploy, which cleans the existing jar which we have on locally and deploy the jar onto the GitHub. Or you can use the Maven tab and press clean and deploy here. That's it. If you go to the GitHub packages, the package is there, and if it's a public repository, then anyone can use this package. Thank you for watching it. Bye. See you in the next video.